Hello guys, welcome back to Photographics Academy. So we've been talking about the fact that you don't actually need to destroy an image to be able to retouch it. And today we're going to be showing you exactly how you can be able to do that retouching factor, non-manipulation, pardon me for that. How you can be able to do that level of retouching and still be able to maintain the real details on your image. So today we're going to be retouching this particular one using Kumoo, and we're going to show you, of course, how you can do that using your Kumoo. The first thing I'm going to do in this image is to correct a little bit of the lightening. I want to have a little contrast on the image, so we'll stay on the global, go to tone. I'm going to use my curve, just create something like an X curve here, right? Just like that. Yeah, so it just gives us that warm tone and all of that. Go back into my white balance and a little bit of tinting, maybe like 5, so that it gives us a very natural warm skin. And maybe increase the highlights a little so that we'll see stuff to work with in the dodge and burn. Okay, so this is the before, this is the after, just very subtle change over there. Then we'll get into the blemishes of the image. So over here, I'm going to click on my acne on the face and acne on body. I'm going to leave, should I leave the mole? No, I'm going to also click on it. And also my body blemish is very, very important. We'll leave every other thing the same way. Maybe a little bit of the dark circle to reduce the eye bag. And do I have my nasal line here? This is okay. So I'm going to increase the face disfocus repair a little bit. And we are good to go. So right inside my skin over here, I will increase my neutral gray leveling. So the reason I'm working with neutral gray leveling first and my skin refinement before I even start talking about frequency separation is because it gives us that effect of micro dodge and burn. So instead of just flattening out the image, it just corrects the tones, just the same way your micro dodge and burn works on your image. Then anyone that it's missed, we can click on our skin refinement effect and just bring it in. And of course, my contour. So contour is simply just to bring out vital contours, dimensions of the image. So if you look at this face right now, we can actually just stop here and not add frequency separation. But if we add frequency separation, you see the way it just flattens the whole thing out. So we can just take it over here, then reduce our low frequency as low as we can and push up our high a little bit. So the reason I just did this, or keep it in the middle, is to push out the textures, not necessarily to affect the image, right? So come over here, a little bit of the skin refinement and a little bit of this. Then for my body, for now, Kumoo just have your frequency separation available. So we'll just do our frequency separation. Of course, I'm going to make sure my high frequency is as high as possible and maybe a little bit of the low. So the reason we did that is to make sure that we still maintain our texture. Very important. Then after doing that, I'll come over to my tone balancing and make sure that I have my face and my body maintaining the same skin tone. So you see, we'll have that uniformity, but we don't want it to be evenly littered because of reality. We want it to look as realistic as possible. We can't just flatten it out like this because we're trying to make it look uniform. No, we keep it somewhere around here. So we still have that disparity. Then we'll now look for the best skin tone to keep it close to natural. So if we have this very low, what does that offer us? Okay, I think this is very close to what the original one looks like. These ones are going to make her look extremely dark, but we can actually just work with this and brighten it up a little. So once I'm done with this part, I think the reds are too much. I don't want it too reddish. We'll go down to makeup, very important. I'm going to enhance her eyebrow, enhance her eye makeup, of course my shadows and my highlights. So I'm not going to push that too much. Then I'm also going to enhance the lips makeup and enhance the blush if we have such. Her eyes is clear, so we wouldn't need to do eye cleaning. So if you feel the textures on the lips is too much, you can just come over here, come to your lip line. If I push it all the way to 100, you'll notice it's too smooth, which is not what we want. So we'll just keep it here. and we are good to go. I'm going to leave the background the same way it is. The image looks absolutely beautiful. If I keep this side by side, you will see how much we've been able to do. So this was where we started, and this is the final result right here. This is the before and this is the after. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. Before I leave you, we are doing something very amazing this July, right? I don't know where you're going to be seeing this video, but if you see it early enough, kudos. We are doing something very amazing this July. We are collaborating with Kumoo to put out our July live training, which is photo manipulation and retouching masterclass. And Kumoo is collaborating. What does that mean for you, the retoucher that is watching this video? It simply means that if you register for that training with 5,500 naira, you will gain access, or you'll be able to stand a chance to be part of the 10 random people that Kumoo is going to be giving out 300 credits to, 500 credit, depending on how many they choose to give you. There is no specific number attached to it. And most importantly, we are going to be selecting top 3 people that are in that 10 categories. And those top 3 people will be gaining access to as high as 800, 500, and 300 credits added to the one that Kumoo is giving to everybody in that 10 people category. So you wouldn't want to miss that. That challenge will change your life. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you subscribe, click on the notification bell to get notified every single time we drop a new video. To get access to that live training, comment interested in the comment section. I will send you the link. Thank you and see you on the next one.